This 50 go.
Don't drink and drive.
What's up, YouTube? We're back at it again. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at these Clix Wipers. They're supposed to be able to change in seconds. Alright, let's get these bad boys opened up and see what the fuss is all about. But what caught my eye is I was watching this video on YouTube, and it was like this black BMW or something like that, and he had some carbon fiber ones. So that's what made me decide to give these a go. Here we go. Alright, here's the wipers. And as I could see from straight out the box, it's hydro dipped, you know. And I'm assuming these are all the other different patterns you could get. And how good it matches up with the car. It's not too bad, I guess. Alright, so got two wipers. This little these things right here is what you put on the arms. And it looks like we got some stickers or something here. Wipe rejuvenator. I guess you would use this after a while if your wipers look dry or something like that. Wiper starter. Wipers starting to streak, extend their life with this. Yeah, when your wipers start getting old, this right here, it's like kind of like pitting armor all on some dry tires, I guess, I don't know. And then we got some stickers. Wow. Alright. Nothing else in the box. Pinch tabs. Alright. Next time you see these bad boys, they'll be on the car. Okay, we're here, and these are the stock ones. What we do right here to take them off, I don't know why people have such problems with it, but it's just like this. Squeeze the little things right here, pull out, lift up, take off. Easy peasy. Squeeze it, pull down, lift up, lift off. Alright, so we're in the car. We're at the car right now, and you want to put the longer one on the driver's side. You're going to push these little tabs right here and open this thing up. Then you're going to grab the arm just like that, pop it down like that. Click it, and it's on. Then you're going to want to take these off when you're done. So once again, I'll slide it in like that. Click it, and you're all set. Now to take it off, should be the same thing. Push, pull that back, take it off. Once again, put it on, like that. Easy peasy. Now when you're done, you just want to take off the little things on both sides. Boom. Let me see if I can get you a better picture. Maybe I'll pull the car outside. Okay, here's the outside look of the wipers in the sun. And as you can see, it matches up pretty good. Alright, this is what they look like when it's on. Like I said, I pretty much think I only drove my car in the rain maybe once or twice. That's why I said I still got the wipers that came with the car when I bought it back in 2016. Here's a view inside. And once again, here's a picture of them on the window. It's kind of hard to see because of the way the sun is. Alright. A little better shot. Now here's the stock one. And then we have the Clix one on the bottom. The Clix one it does look a little thicker, you know, but I mean, shit, if it was any thinner, you probably wouldn't see the design on it. So it is what it is. I don't know if there's a right way and a wrong way to put this, you know, because the name brand is right there. I don't know if it's supposed to be up here, you know, maybe if I got them backwards or whatnot, or if it even matters. Alright, here's a better look. I tried to clean the window just a little bit. But like I said, it matches well with the true fiber carbon. They all go in the same pattern, so that's a plus. Alright, there you have it, my Clix Wipers. Easy peasy, clicks on in a matter of seconds, and you're out. What do I think about them? I think they're alright. Like I said, it's not real carbon, it's a hydro dip, but it matches up with my true fiber real good. So the patterns all go in the same way, so I don't know what more I could ask for. They had this little special thing where you buy them. Don't quote me on the price, but I think it's like $39. But if you sign up for like a subscription or yearly or every 6 months, I don't know exactly how it is, they will send you another pair at a discount price. So instead of paying like say $39, maybe it's $35 or something like that. I didn't do that because like I said, I don't really drive my car in the rain, and I still have the wipers on there when I bought the car a few years back. So I don't know, the choice is yours. You see how it is. They come in a bunch of different colors. I'll put a picture up right here so you can see the different colors. And I'll put the link in the description. If you like them, check them out. I give them a thumbs up. Here are some of the different colors and patterns you could do. They have more on their website too. Like if you wanted a red carbon fiber or something like that, I'm sure they have all different color carbons. Alright, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you hit that subscribe, like button, hit the notification bell, comment below what you think, and see you next time. Peace. Oh yeah, don't drink and drive.